I feel the need to make this video because seriously, after the unsatisfied test cases that I had, I realized where the mistake was. So I queued the ticketing system and I forgot to call in the ticket. Um, see here. So yeah. Yeah, so I forgot to call the ticket class here, and that is why I was I couldn't compile or initially my let me take that away. Where so let me open that up and let me remove that. And this is because you needed to have the same class here. All right, just a quick one here. Just a quick one here. Just a quick one here. Same. There we go. Ticket here and ticket over here. Yeah. And let me compile that. So yeah, let me remove your. Let me uncomment this. Comment that out. Like this was as soon as I stopped part two, immediately I saw part two, I noticed this error. So yeah, I decided to record this and test everything here now. Let's see that. Let's see that. And here we have it. We successfully now pass all our test cases.